rainfall warning has been issued.
It's with a rainfall warning.
Rainfall warning.
So because we're getting into winter and stuff, I'll probably be doing this a lot more. Let me know if you like it, if you like the cinematic type stuff, if you like the finger biking. Also as well, in the winter I have a snow bike, so it's basically a bike without wheels, and instead of the wheels it has like skis. So we'll probably do that if it snows enough this year. And yeah, let me know if you'd like more cinematic stuff in my videos, or if you'd like to see more cinematic stuff on its own. Yeah, thanks for watching.